US stock market witnessed a massive trillion-dollar sell-off in tech companies on Monday, triggered by the sudden surge in popularity of the Chinese AI chatbot DeepSeek. Surpassing ChatGPT as the most downloaded free app on Apple's App Store, DeepSeek's rise led to a record single-day loss of $465 billion for Nvidia, the world's largest company and leading chip maker. The chatbot even featured in Donald Trump's recent address, where he called it a wake-up call for US tech companies to accelerate AI research and development.
Today and over the last couple of days, I've been reading about China and some of the companies in China, one in particular, coming up with a faster method of AI and much less expensive method. And that's good because you don't have to spend as much money. I view that as a positive, as an asset. So I really think if it's fact and if it's true, and nobody really knows if it is, but I view that as a positive because you'll be doing that too. So you won't be spending as much and you'll get the same result, hopefully. The release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser-focused on competing to win because we have the greatest scientists in the world.
Founded in 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, DeepSeek is an open-source AI tool that has set a new benchmark with its remarkably low processing costs. While US companies invest hundreds of billions in training models like ChatGPT, DeepSeek achieved comparable capabilities for just $6 million. India's AI landscape, represented by tools like ChatSutra, continues to face challenges like data scarcity and limited funding. Meanwhile, Chinese models like Kimi add to the intensifying competition.
What DeepSeek does is like it use a very different approach to train the model, which they call very much like reinforcement learning. It is more like you make a mistake, then you learn it by yourself. So that capacity has been given to model itself. Like when we try to ride a bicycle, when we try to walk as a small child, we learn from our mistake and then we make ourselves moving and learning walking, right? So this is what this model has done. The DeepSeek model has developed its own way of learning, which is powerful because you are actually trying to remove the human from the loop. So that means the data labeling cost, the training cost is going down.
The bot comes with a catch though. Governed by Chinese laws, it may grant the government access to user data when legally required. China's regulatory framework also prevents it from responding to controversial questions that criticize the government or its past decisions. Nevertheless, the rise of Chinese AI could disrupt the Indian market, pushing local developers to innovate faster to compete with low-cost alternatives like DeepSeek.